everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sarah with Rebuild and Revive. Today's segment is sponsored by Studio Bliss, an interior design firm that creates beautiful spaces made for living. To learn more, visit studioblissinteriors.com. Today, we are continuing the tour of this incredible Italianate built in 1870. In part one, the homeowner, Erica, shared with us its rich history and the stunning renovations on the first floor. If you missed that segment, check it out. I posted the link in the comments. That's something you don't want to miss. Today, we are headed upstairs to explore the second and third floor. This is a tour you don't want to miss. Let's go check it out.
Welcome. Come on in.
Hi, Erica.
Hi,
Thank
Sarah.
you so much for sharing your home with us
Absolutely.
today. It is beautiful.
Shall we head upstairs?
Yeah, let's go
All
check
right,
it
let's
out.
do it. So this is my son Henry's room. One of my favorite features about this home that we really just fell in love with when we were looking at it was this little doorway that leads to a little playroom.
It's like a little secret.
It was black and yellow,
Yeah.
and so I know at one point it was in one of the newspaper articles it referenced that it was a toy room as well.
Okay.
So, but I don't know kind of
Right.
the interim history there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cute.
But we saw that it had a lot of potential. We actually had to extend this when we bought it. The opening was just kind of here, so it was really difficult to get in and out of it. So they were able to extend it a little bit. Couldn't do too much with the pitch of the roof, but made it a little bit easier to get into.
It is a cute little playroom.
So this is probably one of my favorite rooms in the house
This is
as well.
so cozy.
Yeah, don't use it as much as I would like to at this point, but it was definitely one of the things that we really fell in love with right from the very beginning.
Yeah.
When we moved in, they had beautiful glass double doors here, but again, not functional for us at this point. And then the staircase was actually open backed and wrought iron railing here, and then all up around the top as well, which was beautiful. But we just needed it to feel a little bit more comfortable for our family.
Yes, yeah. Were you worried about like safety?
Primarily safety.
Right.
Yeah. So and so they were able to build in this nice
cute.
little nook as well, and then some extra storage space as well. And then we did the bookcases too.
I love your windows.
Yeah,
Those are really neat.
I think those are very characteristic of the Italianate as well. As is the cupola from the very top there. It always lets in a lot of nice light. So this is a guest bedroom. Love
so
the
beautiful.
windows and just kind of a nice space that felt very welcoming. We primarily just repainted, decorated here. We did do this built-in over on that side.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Lots of colors. Fun wallpaper.
Yeah, again, pushed my comfort zone a little bit, but really loved what the downstairs bathroom, how that turned out. So was definitely looking forward to adding a little bit of character to this bathroom as well.
Yeah, it's fun. It's very cute.
Yeah. So we remodeled just basically everything here. Didn't change the footprint at all, but just all updated. This is the laundry room.
Okay.
So,
and on the second floor, that's nice.
Yeah. It's definitely nice to be right next to his bedroom for sure. And this was the laundry room when we moved in. We changed the layout just a little bit. We actually built this closet in. Just
that's a good idea.
Being an older house, closet space is very limited, so really trying to utilize that footprint. So gave us a little extra space there.
This is a beautiful laundry room.
Thank you.
That sink, was that sink there?
No, we added that.
Oh, that's nice. It's an ironing board. That's cool.
That was here. And very practical, so it's definitely
Kept
it
it.
stays.
When you need it, you need it.
Shall we head up to the third floor loft?
Yeah, let's go. We're at the top,
Yes,
at the
we're at
third
the top.
floor, and this is a classical Italianate architectural feature, and it's called
a cupola. Lets in a lot of, like I said, natural light, and I think just from the exterior, like you said, one of the really just classic features.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
This is such a neat space.
Yeah. So again, very, very much a space that I think we will continue to grow into throughout the years. He spent quite a bit of time up here now. Really, his place to play and have family time.
All right, thank you so much, Erica, for showing us your home and sharing it with us. It is a beautiful home, and it's really stunning.
Thank you.
And I know my viewers really appreciate it, so thank you very much.
Absolutely. Well, we just really feel like it's a privilege that we get to live here, and really the things that we're doing now, we just hope are going to make it last another 100 years for future families.
It's a beautiful home.
Thanks.
And thank you for watching Rebuild and Revive, and we will see you next time. A special thanks to our sponsor, Studio Bliss, creating beautiful spaces made for living.